In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to Notion AI and start using it in your workspace. First, open Notion and sign in to your account so you can access the workspace where you want to enable the AI features. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before continuing, especially if you use more than one, because billing and plan settings are managed separately for each one. Once you're inside Notion, head over to the Settings and Members area. This is where you can manage your workspace preferences, members, permissions, and subscription details. If you're not used to visiting this section, take a moment to look around since most plan-related controls are grouped here. From there, open the Plan or Billing section. This is the area that shows your current subscription, available upgrades, and any billing information connected to the workspace. Depending on your current plan, the layout may look slightly different, but the goal is to find the part of the settings where paid features and billing options are managed. Next, look for the Notion AI option. In many cases, this will appear as an add-on, an upgrade prompt, or a dedicated AI section within the billing or plan page. When you find it, select the AI plan or upgrade option that's available for your workspace. This is the step where you choose to add Notion AI so its features can be activated for your team or personal setup. Before you complete anything, carefully review the price and billing details. This is important because you'll want to confirm how much the upgrade costs, how often you'll be billed, and whether the pricing applies per user or to the workspace as a whole. Taking a few extra seconds here can help avoid confusion later. If everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm the purchase. After that, give Notion a moment to process the upgrade. In some cases, the new features become available almost immediately, while in others, it may take a short time for the change to fully apply across the workspace. Once the upgrade is active, test Notion AI inside a page. Open any page, start typing, and look for the AI tools or prompts now available to you. This is the best way to confirm that the upgrade worked properly and to get familiar with how the feature behaves in a real note or document. That's it. You've successfully upgraded to Notion AI and verified that it's working inside your workspace.